Hi everyone, welcome to KSP Creations. We will learn few questions in general knowledge. Here we go. First, which elements are present in household cooking gas LPG in compound form? Second, who wrote the Natya Shastra? Third, how many legs do butterflies have? Fourth, which river flows through the Thar Desert? Fifth, which country is known as the roof of the world? Sixth, in which language Kathakali name is derived from? Seventh, which animal lays the largest egg in the world? Eighth, how many bones are there in the human body? Ninth, which gas is filled in electric bulb? 10th, which bird is the symbol of peace? Here is the answers. First, which elements are present in household cooking gas LPG in compound form? Answer, propane C3H8 and butane C4H10. Second, who wrote the Natya Shastra? Answer, Bharata. Third, how many legs do butterflies have? Answer, 6. Fourth, which river flows through the Thar Desert? Answer, Luni River. Fifth, which country is known as the roof of the world? Answer, Tibet. Sixth, in which language Kathakali name is derived from? Answer, Malayalam. Katha means story and Kali means play. Seventh, which animal lays the largest egg in the world? Answer, ostrich. Eighth, how many bones are there in the human body? Answer, 206. Ninth, which gas is filled in electric bulb? Answer, argon gas. 10th, which bird is the symbol of peace? Answer, dove. Hope you learn all these questions. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.